Thank you so much for having me here. I think it's exciting to be at CES, especially at Eurotechweek. I'm here because I started a company with 5 other women. We help commercialize companies that are looking to expand to the U.S. and to Latin America and to become more global. I used to work for President Obama for 6 years in the Small Business Administration. We helped companies from Europe come to the U.S., and we actually did the first time the White House opened its doors to international entrepreneurs to get going here in the U.S. and create jobs. So today I'm here, and I'm going to be here the entire week of Eurotech to help companies from Europe come and grow and expand and be successfully globally. We're very excited to host all of them in Las Vegas because there's so many entrepreneurs, there's so many investors, there's an amazing amount of brain power and ideas that when you step into Eurotech Week and CES, you come up with so many new ideas, new contacts, and new ways to look at the world. So one of the reasons why we're actually here too is because we value our relationship with Europe, and especially with France. We have seen amazing innovation from biotech to sustainability, and part of our climate change agreement, we're very excited because we saw a lot of companies coming through there. So once again, we're very excited to have you here, and any questions you have, please let me know how I can help. My name's Natalia Olson, and my company is the Disruptive Factory. Merci.